This is America. Don't catch you slipping now. Don't catch you slipping now. Look what I'm whipping now. This is America. Don't catch you slipping now.
Hey guys, what is going on? It is Nico here, of course, from JNL Vlogs. And guys, it has been a hot minute since I've actually made a video. And you guys probably like, well, Nico, you just uploaded a video like 3 to 4 days ago. Yes, I know I did, but I uploaded it. I actually even made that video I made that video like 2 weeks ago. Like, this is my first time actually making a video, editing it and uploading it on the same day or the day after, whenever I decide to upload this video. So yeah. Anyway guys, I also want to say thank you to the real ones who have been sticking with our channel since day one, especially for the ones who are still watching me during summertime. Because guys, I know summertime, it's a busy time. You guys are outside, you guys aren't really watching anything or watching YouTube or anything. So guys, for people who still watch me on this channel, guys, thank you very much. You guys are the real ones. Hey, if you guys want us to do more Try Not to Laughs or any other types of videos like this, let us know down in the comment section below. And guys, before we start this video, I do want to say I did not condone anything that happens in this video, because guys, I've not watched this video before. Like, I just found a random Try Not to Laugh, clicked on it and paused it and wait to do this intro. So guys, if anything stupid or dangerous happens in this video, I do not condone it. So, you know, don't come up to me and say, you know, like, I just broke my leg because of this stupid video that you made. Nah, I don't condone this. Oh, yeah. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just a stupid Puerto Rican kid. I don't know. But anyway, guys, with all that said, let's get into the video. Alright, guys, let's get into it. Let's see. Oh, she just kicked your dog! It's not even funny, bro. Oh, dude, my boy knows what's good. Yo.
Three, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I've seen this video.
Together, we have a show this weekend.
The fuck? She's ripped. 3, 2, 1. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship. Hold on, I could do this. I could do that. Hold on. I gotta wait for it to start. Wait. Alright, let's do it. Alright, guys, ready? 3, 2, 1. We're going on a trip in our favorite. Okay, hold on. Just drop my headset. Give me a second here, guys. Hold on. Oh shit. Scoot in here real quick. Hold up. Okay, split play.
At the show.
Jeez, bro. Bro, you're that scared of a bird? Oh, hell no. I'm not that flexible.
Oh, hell no!
See, I already lost. I already laughed.
I'm not gonna do it this time. Yes.
Nice, bro.
I love you, bitch. You love me, bitch.
That baby got a full head of ass.
No.
Yo, this cat's a savage. Oh!
I am so tired. I gotta go to bed, booty. I love you, but tree mom and I ain't wrong.
That's such an old meme, bro. I remember that. Karma's a bitch.
Look at your tire.
Yeah. I remember that, dude.
I don't fuck with you.
Oh, dang, bro.
Is it real?
Have these vines already seen, man. It's so funny though.
Oh my god!
Holy grail. Everybody get up.
Eyelash. Oh my god, my eyelash. Oh my god. Why? I just got like a $30,000 job on these eyebrows. Oh my god.
Even the babies are one of the most dangerous animals in the world, so I built this cage to keep them secure so there's no possible... Oh my god.
Oh my.
Watch it. Let's come. Watch it.
Yay. Debit or credit?
Debit or credit?
Oh, that baby just that. Oh, dang. Rip his head, bro.
Hot and fresh.
I almost pretend I did not see that. Oh, Rip Granny 2018. Bro, no! That is such a fag move, bro. He just left his girl. Dude, he didn't even stay to save his girl, bro. He was out, bro. That's how you know if your man's real or not, bro. That's so messed up. Bro, it wasn't even the first guy that failed. It was the girl that fell. Bitch, put a hole in the wall. Oh, my $30,000 hair job is gone. Oh, I saw this. Yeah, oh, yeah, yo, replay that. Yo. Dude, if I do that one more time in slow motion though, dog. Hold on, wait. No, it's not even funny, bro. You're joking. No, huh? Oh, that's my fault. Yo, oh shit, they put it back to normal though. Damn, bro. No, I don't want this in the video. Bro, hold up. Oh. You're way better sick, bro. Oh, damn. Wait, did she fall? Oh, no, I thought it'd be a fail. Alright guys, well hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. So guys, that was a really funny video. So guys, hopefully you guys laughed too, or you didn't. Oh well, I don't know. But guys, I do want to give a quick thanks to Streamlabs for sponsoring this video. So guys, click the link at the top of the description. Go check it out. That's how I stream to Twitch and YouTube, guys. Oh my god, guys, can't even tell you how amazing Streamlabs is. Like, it helped me kick off my Twitch and YouTube career with live streaming. So guys, I really do recommend clicking that link down in the description. But anyway guys, with that all said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to click all the links down in the description. If you guys want to join our team or anything like that, the links are down there for that too. As well as all our social medias like my Twitch, as my Instagram, Snapchat, and all Lex's and Jacob's social medias down there as well. So anyway guys, if you guys want more videos like this, comment that down below. Anyway guys, as I always say, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video as always. And remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next one.